How to animate lines in Premiere Pro. I added some footage to my timeline. Go over to Effects and find the Right On effect. Drag it to your video clip. Move the playhead to where you want the line animation to begin. Then go to Effects Control tab and find Right On effect. Click on the stopwatch icon next to brush position and brush size. Then click on Right On effect. You'll then see a blue circle appear in the center of our preview window. Move the circle to where you want the line to start animating. Under Effect Controls, change the brush size to 0. Now move ahead one frame by hitting the right arrow key. Then change the value back to your desired width. I set it to 25. Move your timeline slider ahead however long you want the animation to last. Then move the blue circle to where you want the line animation to end. Click on the circle, hold on Shift key and move it. Done. Now you can see the animation like this. I think this video is helpful to you, so don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe.